welcome back to the 74 Challenger Restoration video series. We got a lot going on this time, folks. You can see I already got the quarter panel tore off, and I've been down here working in this area. We're going to get all the rust out so we can mini tub this, get the wheel housing back in, and then get that quarter panel back on. Don't forget, at the end of this episode, we're going to be doing our poster giveaway as part of our teespring.com merchandise launch. So stay tuned, you're going to like this one, folks. We got a lot coming. Okay, well look at that, folks. Just finished tearing that quarter panel off. Lots of Bondo flying around there. You can kind of see how this one wheel housing has been scabbed up over the years. Lots of Bondo and filler in there. Alright, just got that rusty old wheel housing out. Had to resort to my trusty air chisel. Okay, everyone, I just finished wire wheeling this whole area here just to get it cleaned up, kind of see what we're working with, and I think we're in luck on this side. It's a lot nicer than the other side. So let me show you what we got here. Okay, so like I just said, we're in luck with this side of the car. It's not going to need nearly as much repairs as the other side. The frame rail is really nice. I already came in here with my little pick hammer and just started tapping away on the frame, and everything seems real solid. The only real bad spot is down in this area, right where the one of the brackets was. I already pulled the bracket out, and underneath it there's a couple of little rust holes. It's not too bad. And then as well, right here where there's the bracket for the suspension, there is a small little hole there. When I was hitting it with the hammer, I started feeling it go through. It's not nearly as bad as the other side. Shouldn't be too hard to fix that. I think I'm gonna leave that when I get it on a rotisserie, though. It's kind of hard to get at in there. And then the sill itself, well, you can see right here, there's a couple little holes poking through, but again, it's not all that bad. I'll be able to patch that area up, no problem. The outer part of the sill here, I'm in luck this time, guys. This is in really nice shape. I was hammering away at it. The only spot where there's a little hole starting to develop is right there. I'm not sure. It's very corroded. It's pitted, but it is solid, so I'm not sure. I'm tempted to just leave it alone. Maybe put a little weld in that spot. Just leave it. I don't know. Not sure what to do there. It's in really good shape though. The floor pan up in here, pretty much the same on the other side. So I'll need to patch this area. When I mini tub it, I'm tearing a chunk of that out anyway, so not a huge deal. And then up top here, there's quite a bit of corrosion up in this area where the quarter kind of met up with the roof skin. This side is actually worse than the driver's side. Fairly simple to patch. And then down in here, pretty much the same again as the other side. It's all corroded in here. If you remember from one of my previous videos, we patched this area on the other side, so that'll be a real easy fix. Now the bracket that I pulled out, you can see right here. If you remember from my previous videos, this thing is all rotten and corroded. I did have a template. I don't know where it went. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side. I'm just going to flatten this out, make a brand new one out of metal, and then we'll toss that in. Okay, so first thing I'm going to tackle though is that bracket area down there. I'm going to get that patched up, and then I'm going to coat that whole area underneath it, and then I'll get that bracket on. Alright, let's get building, folks. Oh man, that bracket turned out amazing. Okay, I got that bracket all wrapped up, and I have all the other prep work finished. So I went in there with my Eastwood rust encapsulator and coated the area behind the bracket so that hopefully this thing won't rust out anytime. Got all the other patches done that I need to, the one behind the bracket and a couple in the floor pan. So we're ready now. We're going to fire up the welder and get this guy in place. that turned out pretty good. Got that bracket welded back in place. I know this thing burns off a portion of that coating that I put on it, but at least underneath I'm sure it's coated well. A lot better than factory anyway, there was nothing there. Well, I think that's a good stopping point for this episode. So we're going to head over to the computer, we're going to go through the comments, and we're going to pick a winner for that poster. Alright folks, it's time to do that poster giveaway, so let's head over to the computer here and see who the lucky winner is. Alright, so I just found this this website here. Seems to do the trick, so let's see who commented. 31 enter, that's good. Alright, here we go. Drum roll. Oliver Barber. Comment was, glad to see you're still going on it. I picked up a 74 260Z A Coupe years back and have been doing many of the same repairs as you in Ontario as well. Oh, well that's good. Won't have to pay very much for shipping then. Same experience as you with quarter replacement. It's amazing how many other bits end up needing to be repaired before it can go on for good. Yeah, that's the truth, eh? Okay, well, congratulations to Oliver Barber. I'm going to get in touch with you and we'll get that poster shipped out. Alright folks, if you didn't win that poster but you'd like to go and purchase one, you can head over to our teespring.com account and check that out. We got the poster, we got some t-shirts and some other things over there for you to check out. And I put a little video together for you guys just to show what some of this merchandise looks like, and I think you're going to enjoy it again. Alright.